Dogecoin cost extremely equivalent to $0.0827 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.0818-0.0856, which truly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.0819, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change essentially was plus 0.0008, plus 0.98%, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Backwards rate, USD to Doge, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of enormous manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.087, especially greatest 0.093, truly least 0.081 in a really significant way. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.090, fundamentally greatest 0.096, by and large least 0.084, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.088, exceptionally most extreme 0.094, sort of least 0.082 in a genuinely enormous manner. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.090, most extreme 0.096, truly least 0.084, which is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $0.091, exceptionally greatest 0.097, least 0.085 in a very huge way. In multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 10, cost $0.089, lovely greatest 0.095, genuinely least 0.083. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.089, sort of most extreme 0.095, sort of least 0.083, or so they certainly thought. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.088, for the most part greatest 0.094, certainly least 0.082, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.085, beautiful greatest 0.091, for the most part least 0.079 in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost $0.089, especially greatest 0.095, beautiful least 0.083 in an extremely significant way. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.086, kind of greatest 0.092, for the most part least 0.080. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.092, fundamentally most extreme 0.098, least 0.086 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.088, by and large most extreme 0.094, kind of least 0.082, showing that today, S exchange cost range, 0.0818-0.0856 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.090, sort of greatest 0.096, especially least 0.084. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.086, especially most extreme 0.092, especially least 0.080 in an all things considered, large way. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $0.091, extremely greatest 0.097, sort of least 0.085 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.095, really most extreme 0.102, beautiful least 0.088, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.089, especially most extreme 0.095, certainly least 0.083, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.091, exceptionally greatest 0.097, really least 0.085, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $0.094, sort of most extreme 0.101, sort of least 0.087, exhibiting how in multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 10, cost $0.089, especially greatest 0.095, least 0.083, which certainly is very critical. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.101, for the most part greatest 0.108, extremely least 0.094 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.101, truly most extreme 0.108, truly least 0.094, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge conversion scale sort of equivalent to 12.0934 coins per $1, which explicitly is very huge. Today, S reach 116850122249, or so they fundamentally thought. The past day, S nearby 12.2175, which essentially is very critical. Change for now 0.1241. 1.02%, showing how Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.095, kind of greatest 0.102, really least 0.088, which sort of is very critical. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially huge manner. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, April 3, cost 11.494 coins, especially most extreme 12.346, in every practical sense, least 10.753, or so they especially thought. USD to Doge forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 11.111 coins, truly greatest 11.905, truly least 10.417. Extremely further appearance how Dogecoin cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.0827 a coin in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost 11.364 coins, really greatest 12.195, extremely least 10.638 in an exceptionally enormous way. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 11.111 coins, kind of greatest 11.905, really least 10.417 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, April 7, cost 10.989 coins, all things considered, greatest 11.765, certainly least 10.309. In multi-week USD to Doge expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 11.236 coins, kind of greatest 12.048, fundamentally least 10.526, which really is very huge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 11.236 coins, truly greatest 12.048, especially least 10.526, showing that Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.092, in every practical sense, most extreme 0.098, truly least 0.086 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 11.364 coins, especially greatest 12.195, genuinely least 10.638, showing how the change generally was plus 0.0008, plus 0.98%, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost 11.765 coins, greatest 12.658, exceptionally least 10.989 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, April 14,